Hello kids, today we will learn number and different shape. Violet, purple, pink, green, yellow, red, parrot green. Number 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7. 8. Say with me. 8. 9. Say with me. 9. 10. Say with me. 10. 11. Say with me. 11. 12. Say with me. 12. 13. Say with me. 13. 14. Say with me. 14. 15. Say with me. 15. 16. Say with me. 16. 17. Say with me. 17. 18. Say with me. 18. 19. Say with me. 19. 20. Say with me. 20. 21. Say with me. 21. 22. Say with me. 22. 23. Say with me. 23. 24. Say with me. 24. 25. Say with me. 25. Shape. Circle. Say with me. Circle. Say with me. Circle. Triangle. Say with me. Triangle. Star. Say with me. Star. Say with me. Star. Say with me. Star. Rectangle. Say with me. Rectangle. Say with me. Rectangle. Subscribe for more videos.